go tonight. Stay here one more time. Remind me what it's like. And let's fall in love one more time. I need you now by my side. It tears me up when you turn me down. I'm begging, please, just stick around. I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that your love is gone. I can't breathe, I'm so weak. I know this isn't easy. Don't tell me that your love is gone, that your love is gone. One more time, I need you now by my side. It tears me up when you turn me down. I'm begging, please, just stick around. I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that your love is gone. I can't breathe, I'm so weak. I know this isn't easy. Don't tell me that your love is gone, that your love is gone. I'm losing you, and I don't even know what to do. I'm losing you, I'm losing you, and I don't even know what to do. You were my all, you stole my heart. Why'd you have to fade away? Life's not fair, you leave me here. Who am I supposed to talk to? If it ain't you, if it ain't you, if it ain't you. No summer passing through, and every night I'll lay me down and thinking of your face, thinking of you. I'm losing you, I'm losing you, and I don't even know what to do. You were my all, you stole my heart. Why'd you have to fade away, fade away? Fade away.
I remember tears streaming down your face when they said I'll never let you go. When all those shadows almost killed your life, I remember you said, don't leave me here alone. I remember you said, don't leave me here alone. I remember tears streaming down your face when they said I'll never let you go. When all those shadows almost killed your life, I remember you said, don't leave me here alone. I remember you said, don't leave me here alone. I remember tears streaming down your face when they said I'll never let you go. When all those shadows almost killed your life, I remember you said, don't leave me here alone. I remember you said, don't leave me here alone.
Washed out in rain, you're crying, a burden and a pain. I'm sorry, I wish that I could change. I'm trying, but every night I spend, I'm dying. The clock strikes and it's midnight. Try to sleep, but I don't feel right. And my heart beats like a lost child, 'cause my thoughts race, driving me wild. And you said you loved me, but I never felt the love. And my heart says you loved me, but I never got it though. I've been feeling numb. Walking but it's all alone, waiting for the perfect chance to save myself from all this pain. Oh, but I don't see it end well. All my heart can do is make things sound swell, waiting for a chance to say I miss you now. But I'm out of breath today, it's not no doubt. And you said you loved me, but I never felt the love. And my heart says you loved me, but I never got it through.
Try to be better than I was before. I try to work on everything and my flaws, 'cause I got everything right here. If I just open my eyes, all the love surrounding me, why can't I take it in? Yeah, I know again. I keep falling apart again, apart again. I keep falling apart again. I just wish you knew how hard I try. And it gets easier to work things out. Yeah, I want to be better, but somehow I keep falling apart again.
My grandma died a couple days ago, this shit's been on my mind. Life is beautiful until the people all around you die. Now you tryna talk to ghosts, standing to your left and right. My grandfather died 2 weeks ago, they told me he'd be fine. Couldn't see her for the final time, her funeral's tonight. I hope that woman knows I love her and I keep her soul alive. I've been on my head so long, I'm trying to find some peace of mind. But when people die, it gets hard to even realign. Crazy, isn't it? We lose people, then appreciate we living. That's the shit that make you sit back and then realize life is twisted. 120 people die inside this life a minute. I was told appreciate the ones around me and I didn't. Now the body's in a coffin and it's where they're always sitting. I don't even know what I would say if to their graves I visit. I'd apologize for everything I ever did and didn't. With my arms around their tombstones, I would tell them that I miss them. Everyone inside my life that loved me, I just pushed away. That's the reason I got stuck inside my ways and never changed. We tend to only miss the sun when walking through the rain. Mac is always calling me, telling me I'll see better days. I go manic and I panic, asking if I'll ever change. He was fucking with me when my distro checks will only change. He's my brother, but he's like a father to me in the strangest ways. The only one inside my life that's helped me find a way. My house is looking haunted, cause these walls is what I talk to. Everyone around me always dies or they want to. It sucks when someone dies, but even more when they haunt you. But I don't need sympathy for this shit that I've gone through. Any situation presented, I've always fought through. Me, myself, and I sometimes is all I gotta do. Keep going, life is beautiful, you'll see it soon, you got to appreciate the ones around you, cause we'll all be gone soon.
I can take you anywhere, I can take you home. I just wanna be there so you never feel alone. I don't know how it feels to be lost inside this world. Don't give up, no. I can take you anywhere, I can take you home. I just wanna be there so you never feel alone. I don't know how it feels to be lost inside this world. Don't give up, no. It's hard to when you don't know where to start, and people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive. Sometimes I don't feel alive, but I know that we'll make it out. I can take you anywhere, I can take you home. I just wanna be there so you never feel alone. I don't know how it feels to be lost inside this world. Don't give up, no. I can take you anywhere, I can take you home. I just wanna be there so you never feel alone. I don't know how it feels to be lost inside this world. Don't give up, no. Don't give up, no. Don't give up, no. Don't give up, no.
I do so much shit for you, but yeah, all you do is call out my wrong. I'm always there for you, but yeah, all you do is call out when I'm gone. Just make up your mind, I don't wanna waste my time. Stop saying that you love me when you don't even try. I've been up since the AM, bottling up my emotions. Cause when I say what's wrong, that's another fucking wrong. So I'm done, say goodbye. Go ahead and cry, yeah, you had all this time. So I'm done, say goodbye. Go ahead and cry, yeah, you had all this time. And I've learned you can't undo this hurt. Goddamn, you did me dirt. Goddamn. And I've learned you can't undo this hurt. Goddamn, you did me dirt. Goddamn. So I'm done. Say goodbye. What's the point of trying now when you had all this time? I was just a fool for you, got me doing